So dear friends, today we are going to do a spoken class and it's practical class. So we have many theory classes inside the classroom, but today we are outside of our classroom, and thus we are going to do our practical class here. And in the last class I gave a topic to talk on this topic. The topic was lockdown and its impact on education sector. So today we are going to discuss about this topic, and our students are there with me and they will also talk about this topic. So actually the lockdown imposed by the government of Assam is affecting the education sector, and it is affecting other sectors also, but we are not going to discuss about other sector. But today we are going to discuss specially on education, how the students are being deprived of their classes, how it is affecting the education sector. So we are going to discuss about this topic, and this will be a message for the society also, because you see it has been 4 months since lockdown started in our country or state. So since the lockdown started, the students are not being able to go to the schools, so actually the students are being deprived from the classes. So this will be a message to the society also, and this will be a practical class also. And so many people who are watching the videos, they may think that actually what class is this? They are conducting the class in the outside. No, actually we are just conducting our class outside, out of our classroom, because this is a practical class. So we want to be very much practical. So we are going to talk the issue very practically, so that we are not doing class, and actually our lighting facility in the classroom is not very sound. That is we are just coming out, and this is a very natural beauty also, and you can enjoy watching this video. That is why actually we are just conducting our spoken English practical class outside the classroom. So at first time I have assistant with me, one of my sirs. He will talk about the topic that I gave in the last class also, and at first time, at the very beginning, our sir will start our practical class and by talking on the issue that I gave in the last class. So I request one of our sir, he is Mr. Dilip sir, and Dilip sir will talk on this topic I gave. And at first time I welcome Mr. Nath sir to the LK Text YouTube channel, and I just hand over the mic to him, and just let me click on the shirt. Okay, so I request our Nath sir to talk on the topic that I gave in the last class.
First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. LK to make me part of this discussion based on the impact of COVID-19 virus, and he is giving me the chance, especially in this open environment. I would like to thank you once again. Okay, well, going to hand over this mic once again.
Okay.
That's our colleague or maybe students will ready to talk something about this topic.
Yes.
And thank you, LK.
Thank you. Thank you so much to respected Nath sir. So he has spoken about issue very well, and he has flexed how he has explained on the topic, and has clarified how the students in the education sector is being affected by the lockdown imposed by the government of Assam. And thank you so much once again to him. Now I would like to request one of the students. So I would like to request one student to come here in front of the table and to speak about the topic that I gave in the last class. That means the topic, the lockdown imposed by the government of Assam and its impact on the education sector. So I would like to request for the first time Bhumidhar Boro. Is it Boro? Yes. Oh, sorry, Bhumidhar Deimari. So I would like to request Bhumidhar Deimari to come in front of the table. Come here and stand up here, and just take the microphone and talk about the topic I gave you in the last class. So let me clip the microphone on your shirt. Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Look at the camera and just go on.
Thank you very much to our sir for giving me this opportunity to say some few words about the lockdown and its effect. But before starting my opinion, so I would like to welcome my guys. So hi guys, and this is myself, Bhumidhar Deimari. Today I'm going to talk about some special topics, and the topic is that lockdown and its effect in our entire country. So we're going to discuss about these topics just for a minute. And so during this lockdown, many private sectors and government sectors are being affected, and now I'm going to mention here two important sectors which is being affected mostly in our local areas. So these are the educational sectors and business sectors. Now first, I'm going to talk to you about the educational sectors which are being affected mostly in our local areas, basically in our village areas. So you have seen, guys, that many educational institutions are being affected, and many educational institutions are being remain closed due to this lockdown. And it has been several months, and if I may mention, it may be 4 or 5 months since all kinds of educational institutions remain closed, and for which many students have not able to go to the schools and colleges. They are totally being stopped from taking their education. And I think some of the students, some of the financial crisis, their parents have not able to give them Android mobile phone, and actually basically it happens, it's happening in our local areas, in our village areas, because their parents depend on agricultural sectors, and they live on a small amount of income. They can earn a large amount of income as of that employee. So, and as a result, we have come to see a very sorrowful accidents in newspapers or on other social medias, that those students who don't have Android mobile phone and have not able to take this good opportunity, such students, they committed suicide. So it's a very unfortunate for us, and it's very unlucky, and it's a very great loss for us. So that's all for today, guys, and I would like to thank our sir again once more to have given me this opportunity. So thank you so much.
Okay, lots of thanks to Bhumidhar Daimari. He has spoken very well about the lockdown and its impact on the education sector and other sector also. He has very well explained that actually how it has been affected adversely to our society and students. Actually, many students, the government of Assam now and then announces online classes, but actually it's possible for the students of village area, because the maximum villagers depend on the farming, and actually those people who are living under poverty, below poverty line, they cannot have Android mobile, and they cannot give Android mobile to the students, because they belong to very poor family. Maximum families belong to poor families, so it's not possible for them to buy Android mobile and give to their children Android mobile, and it's not possible for those students who don't have Android mobile. They cannot do online classes, so for which actually we have come to see this kind of suicide for not getting Android mobiles. So he has spoken very well. Now I want to request next student, and he will be Muluksa Boro. I would like to request Muluksa Boro to speak on the same topic and how it is affecting our education. Muluksa Boro to come in front of the table and to speak on the topic I gave. Okay, so let me clip the microphone on his shirt.